Hello and welcome to Tabard IT's How-To series. How to install Microsoft 365 Office. If you haven't already, sign in to office.com. See our video on how to do that if you're not sure. Then click on Install Apps and then Premium Microsoft 365 Apps. Allow the download and you can click the Got It button to close this window. Wait for the install to download. This can take a while depending on the speed of your broadband. If you don't see the Premium Microsoft 365 Apps button, it could be because you haven't got the correct license and you might need to contact us or your administrator. Once the download is finished, click on the downloaded file which will open the installer. Follow the prompts, starting by clicking Continue, and agree to the licensing terms. If prompted, select to install for all users of this computer. You might need to enter your Mac password or get an administrator of the Mac to enter theirs if you don't have admin rights. The install will now go through various processes, preparing, validating and writing, and this can take a while depending on the speed of your Mac. Eventually it'll start removing old files and running scripts, and after it's finished doing that, it will be finished and you can click Close. Click the Close button, and optionally you can move the install file to the bin to save space on your Mac. You've now got all the Microsoft apps. If you search for them, you'll see them. There's Word, OneNote, PowerPoint, and if you're looking for Outlook, just type Outlook in the search bar and there it is.